Welcome to 100 Words for 100 Days. Learning a word per day, I'm sure this will ensure your communication style and how to speak as an English native speaker. And in this case, you are going to learn an expression is Fiddle While Rome Burns. Let's get started. I'm Ithaya. This is a literary taste. As usual, I'm going to give an example. I want to listen to it and guess the meaning. The Australian community understands the seriousness of the situation. It is the federal government that has been fiddling while Rome burns. What do you think this means? Be concerned on unnecessary or paltry things and ignoring or tossing aside something serious or disastrous events is happening around you. முக்கியமான முடிவெடுக்கக்கூடிய நேரத்தில் அல்லது தீவிரமாக செயல்படக்கூடிய நேரத்தில் அதோட சீரியஸ்னஸ் தெரியாமல் ரொம்ப அசட்டியாக இருக்கிறது. Let me give you some examples. Environmentalist claimed governments were fiddling while Rome burned. The lobbyists don't seem to be doing anything to stop this tax bill. They are fiddling while Rome burns. And if you want to know any new words with meaning, just leave them in the comment box. I will take a look on them. I will meet you with a new word next video. Till then,